Before, after. Don't play with Dr. Sebi no more. Hey you all, it's Takia, welcome back. I look crusty, but it's only the lighting. We have not done a hair video in a while. I combed out my locks. Just want to give myself a few months, 3 or so months to take care of my hair. So I ordered some products and it makes me happy and excited. Like, I actually enjoy taking care of my hair when I'm in the space to do so, and I am, so I want to do that. I was locked for almost 6 months. You can see my locks on my Instagram. Anyways, I ordered some products. I got this Giovanni 50/50 Balancing Hydrating Clarifying Shampoo. My hair is dry as a pumice stone. This really convincing curly girl was talking about this daily hydration conditioner by Shea Moisture. I haven't used Shea Moisture in years. I also got the Melanin Hair Care Twisting Cream. I already love their leave-in conditioner, but I wanted to try the twisting cream because it's a little bit heavier. And so I figured, all right, yeah. And the star of the show is my purple gold sea moss from ru.prive. So I just blended it up with some spring water into a gel, and I'm gonna apply this as my deep conditioner. So apple cider vinegar and water just to pre-cleanse, loosen up any debris, dead skin cells, and yeah, to just make shampooing really, really quick and easy, so I'm not wasting so much water. All right. My hair feels a lot softer and more manageable. The conditioner was okay, but that's not why we're here. We're not here to talk about that. But my hair feels okay. It feels more moisturized than it did before. I need more. And so this is my first time trying the sea moss mask, but I need a whole lot more moisture. So, and you can see that I didn't refrigerate it after blending it. I've left it at room temperature, which is Jamaica, so room temperature is a lot warmer than average. All right. Oh. Hold on now. We may have just done something. Oh. Hold on. It's like what you expect aloe vera to feel like. You know how aloe is way more water-based than you may expect? You want way more of the slime and gel? No, don't play with me. That's what this is giving me. Stop. I'm like a little bit, I'm kind of shaking because my hair has needed so much, not repair, but TLC. Like right now, my ends feel my hair has never looked like this. My curls have never fallen and just been moisturized and just like stiff. Where? Stop playing with sea moss. I'm gonna take my comb and just make sure. This is like the ultimate gel for your hair, for your insides. Your hair, like if you need to detangle your hair, yo, put some sea moss gel on there. Get next to the sea. Look at my hair. shrunken up and just thirsty my hair is for moisture. It is so, so thirsty. So we're gonna do before, after. What? Please, please. What are you talking about? One thing I want to say is when you buy sea moss gel from people online or in general, you never know how much water they use, the quality of the water that they used. There are several factors that determine how beneficial and nutritious your sea moss will be, your sea moss gel. Make it by yourself. Listen, don't play with sea moss no more. Don't play with Dr. Sebi no more. Don't play with us. Do not play with us. What are you talking about? Listen. Promise me that if you purchase sea moss from my brand or from any brand, if you purchase sea moss, promise me that you take it internally, not just for your skin or hair. Address whatever's going on internally first, and then this is just like the bonus. But I'm seeing into the future for all of y'all, and it's just so bright. See y'all in an hour. Like the hair just feels relaxed, moist, smooth and soft, very soft, like a pillow. I am going to now take the Melanin Hair Care Twist Elongating Cream. Ooh, soft. My hair is so soft even before putting this, after detangling. Oh. Yeah, like this mask I think will be beneficial for anybody. It defines your curls. When I did that quick little before and after, my hair was just thirsty, just needing moisture, really, really needing moisture. So it's safe to say that sea moss is a hydrating mask for sure. Helps with detangling. Oh my gosh. My hair feels nice. It feels really nice. But A+ for this twist cream, A+++ for the moss. I'm gonna oil my scalp too. This is olive oil, bergamot, essential oils, maybe some lavender, maybe some peppermint is left in here, and jojoba oil for my scalp. Scalp, moisturize my hair. It feels good. All of it feels really good, so. Hey you all, I'm editing this video right now as you're watching me speak. I just wanted to say, because I didn't close it out, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. If you want to see me using sea moss on my face and also using it in a fruit smoothie, I did a cleanse. Both of those videos are also on my channel, so I'll link them below. The only sea moss I use and trust is linked in the description box by ru.prive. It's quality that it's wildcrafted truly and not farmed. And yeah, you can use purple or gold in your hair and on your skin, but please take it inside. Use it internally in your soups, salad dressings, in your porridge, your oats, in your smoothies. There's so many ways to use sea moss to get those extra minerals. By extra, I mean 90% of the ones your body needs to function and to heal and to cleanse. So yes, I'm in the bush. So you hear the goats and just nature, but love, I appreciate you so much. I'll see you on my next one.